In this tutorial, I will show with you how you can cancel your Perplexity AI subscription. So if you're interested, let's get started. First, make sure log in your account, and then if you have a premium membership, go to your alt setting and this option. From the alt setting, guys, you will see your subscription here. If you have any premium subscription, just click this icon, click cancel subscription. In this case, guys, this is my other account. I have a yearly plan, so you can see here, this is your subscription in here. If you want to cancel, just click cancel here. You can cancel and your subscription will activate until the end of account billing. So guys, just click cancel this subscription. So it is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like, give share this video for more content, and see another video soon. Any question down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible. Keep watching, guys.